All right, I did a video sometime back changing wheels out and kind of managing this crazy nut that is not really designed or for easy removal. Well, I thought it was an upgrade, I guess it was an upgrade to these Harbor Freight wheels. But I developed a flat pretty quickly. Now, I haven't given up on this tire, but I'm a little suspect of it. I'm going to give it a try here. And in this case, instead of doing a patch repair, I'm going to try this. Got this inner tube for the tire at Harbor Freight. So we're going to see what it takes to put that on. Hopefully it's easy. And then we'll go from there. The nut here is a 14 millimeter. And the bolt head on this side you need to hang on to is a 13 millimeter. So, still have to take off this pressed on nut. So this is the two-piece wheel. Definitely makes getting the inner tube out easy. I'm going to fix this later and keep it as a backup. Now, obvious thing to pay attention to is this valve stem is curved. Just don't accidentally have it pointed the wrong way. Can't get too far with it because you can be looking for it on this. So work it around. It's like a bicycle tire or anything else. You just want to make sure it's kind of pretty even in there. I'm going to put a little bit of air in this just to help it shape up before I put it all the way in. Definitely putting a little bit of air in this first, just a little bit, just to get it the right shape, is what I would say is highly recommended. I'll make sure this inner tube isn't pinched in any way. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, I'm going to try to get this pressed on nut in service. Okay, I'm going to just air it up the rest of the way. Alright, they recommend 30 pounds. I'm pretty much there. There concludes the changing of a tire and inner tube on this old hand truck.